Hi, my name is Colin Abrams. I've been trading the markets for the past 30 years. I want to tell you the truth about trading. Trading is difficult. It's not easy. Do not fall for the adverts out there that tell you that trading is a get-rich-quick endeavor. Trading is hard. It requires a lot of work and dedication and persistence. It requires tenacity and ongoing persistence. Trading is not easy, but one can be part of the small percentage of people that really make good money if one knows how to do it correctly. One needs to be trained correctly. One needs to be trained by someone who is trustworthy and reliable and who has experience. One can make good money out there if you know what you're doing. It takes a long time, though, to learn how to do it and to do it correctly. Do not fall for these get-rich-quick adverts that the internet is full of. Forex trading, etc., it's not easy. Forex trading, in fact, is the most difficult form of trading, in my opinion. After trading for 30 years, I can tell you that intraday Forex trading is the most difficult way of trading. The easier way of doing it is trading on the higher time frames, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly charts, trying to catch the big swings. The big money is made on the big swings. There are many different trading rules out there. If you'd like to know about some of my favorite trading rules, I've put together an ebook, which I'm giving away for free, of 10 of my favorite trading rules. Take a look at these trading rules. I believe they'll help anyone. There's just so many trading rules out there. So I condensed it into my 10 favorite trading rules. Click on the link below and you can download that ebook for free. Bye for now.